Hello, assalamu alaikum. So today in Fatim Ali's kitchen, guys, we're making new avocado salad. So we've got all our ingredients here. We've got romaine lettuce here, we've got English cucumbers, and then we've got tomatoes, we've got our lovely avocado here as well, and we've got red onion. That red onion gives avocado a very nice lovely color, and it gives it a lovely taste as well. And we've got 1 lemon juice going in. We've got some sweet corn. I like sweet corn on avocados. It gives it a nice little kick. And I've got some parsley, chopped parsley here as well. So let's begin. Our lovely tomatoes into quarterly shapes. Nicely. We jump into our lovely English cucumber now and nicely cut it. Avocado is one of my favorite salads. It's very nice and healthy as well. Now we're doing our red onion. This is romaine lettuce. You can also use icebergs or little gems, but romaine lettuce are very nice with avocado, so that's why I choose that one. And it's all going in. Oh, look at the shape, but that is looking good. So now we're on our lovely, nice round avocados. And then you just stab the seed like that, and then take your seed out of the avocados. All nice and simple and easy. Then you just go like that. Nicely cut. Look at that. Isn't that nice? That was lovely sweet corn goes in. Parsley goes in. We drizzle some oil. I am using vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. And the lemon juice goes in. Pinch of salt and pepper. And then we mix. Look at that. We mix everything together to make sure every bit has got some dressing on. Look at that. The avocado is looking so lovely, guys. I'm gonna try and have a little taste of everything. Very nice. Very lovely. This is how you make a lovely avocado salad, guys. Thumbs up if you like my video, and then don't forget to subscribe to all the new content that I will be loading in. And thanks for watching, guys. That's all I've got for you today. Thank you. Bye bye.